Have you ever wondered why some people always look so polished and effortlessly chic, while your outfits often feel like they're missing the mark? Here's the secret. It's all about 5 key style elements. If you get these right, you'll always look elegant and chic no matter the occasion. What are these 5 elements? Stay with me till the end of the video and I will share them with you. More importantly, I will show you why your outfits might feel off and step by step how to transform them into polished, really chic looks that turn heads every time. Have you ever wondered why some outfits look so polished and elegant even with casual pieces? I'm telling you, it's all about the right balance between relaxed pieces and more refined, structured garments. This balance makes all the difference. Let me break it down for you. Have a look at this outfit. It's cozy and comfy, but let's be honest, you can hardly call it elegant. Why? Because it's all relaxed fits. A soft sweater paired with wide leg jeans, and those trainers, they're practical, but they don't exactly scream polished. This look is perfect for walking your dog or running errands, but if you want to elevate it to something chic and elegant, you need to add structure. Here's how. Start by swapping the jeans for tailored pleated trousers. Add a belt to define the waist and tie the look together. And for shoes, we still want comfort, so skip the heels and opt for elegant pointed toe loafers instead. Then add a structured bag in subtle teal color for a pop of interest. And to finish the look, trade the plain sweater for a striped one that ties together the navy and teal tones and creating this relaxed yet refined vibe. See the difference? By just swapping the bottom and few details, we've transformed this look into something casual yet polished and undeniably elegant. Now, if you want to take your outfit even further, it's all about adding contrast and another tailored piece for the extra chicness. So I swapped the chunky sweater for a thin striped one, which is perfect for layering. A belt with a gold buckle adds a touch of elegance, especially with a classic black and white combo. And for shoes, pointed toe, black ankle boots make white pants more winter appropriate. And finally, I completed the look with a matching white tailored blazer. To tie everything together, I chose a big bag tote to match the black shoes and accessories. And of course, no chic look is complete without refined jewelry. Today I'm wearing the diamond studs with add-on from Idyll, the sponsor of today's video, which I'm going to tell you all about in just a moment. And what's great about these is that they're modular. Lucy is actually an add-on that you can remove or mix and match with other pieces. The base studs are timeless on their own, and with the Lucy add-on, you get 5 stunning lab-grown diamonds that hug the earlobe perfectly. Made from solid 14-karat gold, they're versatile and look amazing in any stack, whether it's the first, second, or even third piercing. Now the look is almost ready, but wait, we need outerwear. A camel coat adds warmth and coziness, paired with dark brown sunnies and gloves, and there you go! My elegant winter look is complete. What do you think? And talking about achieving the most flattering effect working with silhouettes and proportions, I know how difficult it might get sometimes because we don't come in standard size. We all have our heights and body shapes. And this is why I have created an in-depth, very useful, practical, customized style guide for different heights and body shapes that you can get absolutely for free by going to the link under this video, answering just a few questions about your height and body shape, and get it immediately directly to your mailbox. It's an in-depth illustrated guide packed with the most practical styling tips that I use for myself and my clients, key winning silhouettes per category, tops, bottoms, outerwear, and also some working outfit formulas, again customized to different body shapes and heights. I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of fun with it, going shopping or decluttering your existing wardrobe, so please don't forget to go to the link, answer just a few questions, and get the guide and start using it in order to achieve this really polished, put together looks with the pieces you already own in your wardrobe. From fits and tailoring to colors. Color palette is another crucial criteria that makes all the difference in achieving this really chic, elegant, put together look. And most of the time there are 2 extremes. Either your outfits may look too boring because of lack of colors, or they look too busy and chaotic because you use colors that clash together or you use the wrong prints. So how to find the right balance when it comes to using the colors and how to mix them to achieve this really polished, cohesive look. What do you think about this outfit? Pretty boring, right? Even with tailored pleated trousers, it doesn't really stand out. One common mistake women make is playing it too safe, pairing basic achromatic colors like black and grey. Well, it's not bad, but it often feels flat and uninspired. Don't worry, you don't have to go wild with colors to make an outfit pop. Instead, opt for tonal color combo to look colorful yet elegant and minimalist. Let's keep the same base and swap in a timeless blue shirt. Grey and blue pair beautifully and feel effortlessly chic. Add black accents in your shoes and belt for contrast, then throw in a navy bomber jacket to complete the tonal combo. A minimalist black purse and navy sunglasses pull it all together. This outfit now looks polished and elegant while staying casual and comfy for two reasons. First, we've balanced tailored trousers with a relaxed bomber jacket. Second, we've used a tonal palette blending shades of blue, grey and black. And I almost forgot a tiny but such a crucial detail, jewelry. To finish the look, I kept the stud earrings with the Lucia add-on, but added a modern twist with a luminette cuff. It's a secure 14-karat solid gold band adorned with diamonds in varying sizes for a stunning sparkle. What I love about the cuff is its versatility again, perfect for stacking without needing an extra piercing. It fits any ear and adds just the right amount of edge and elegance to tie the look together. Another common color mistake that can make your outfit feel less elegant and cohesive is pairing clashing colors in equal proportions, like black and red for example. This combo often looks too harsh, and when paired with matching top and bottom styles, it can feel predictable or even dated. Instead, use bold colors as accents to add interest and sophistication. For example, I styled this chocolate brown maxi dress, which I actually wore for Christmas Eve. Its turtleneck design gives it a timeless feel, but I wanted to elevate it with a touch of sparkle, so I layered Idil's initial diamond door necklace in rose gold. It perfectly highlights the chocolate brown tone and offers versatility because you can wear it the initial only, the diamond only, or both together, which I did. I paired it with diamond stud earrings to keep the look polished and refined, and to add a pop of color, I chose color block shoes with a subtle red strap and my favorite color red 90s bag from the row. The result? A colorful yet sophisticated look that feels chic without being overwhelming. Exactly what I was aiming for. And to add some warmth and coziness, I can throw a pastel peach tone blazer over my shoulders. It introduces another pop of color without overpowering the initial combo. The soft peach complements the rich chocolate brown of the dress and the red accents in my shoes and bag, creating a balanced, sophisticated look. As you can see, if you want to add color to your outfit while keeping it elegant, there is no need to wear bold colors head to toe. Instead, incorporate a pop of color into monochromatic minimalist base and finish with refined matching jewelry. It's my own perfect formula for looking chic and sophisticated. And talking about jewelry, have you ever wished that your jewelry could evolve with you? I know it sounds a bit surrealistic, but wait till you meet the sponsor of today's video, a jewelry brand called Idol. It's a modular jewelry collection that lets you mix and match and create pieces that feel uniquely yours. That's a jewelry you don't keep forever, it's a jewelry you endlessly make and remake, transforming one piece into many. The reason why I'm even more excited to introduce this brand is because it's handcrafted in Antwerp, my home city and the diamond capital of the world, blending old world craftsmanship with a fresh vision for attainable luxury. Using exceptional certified lab-grown diamonds and solid 14-karat gold, every piece is made to last and made to adapt. Start with a base and explore the menu of adds-on to build your perfect collection. Earrings become necklaces, studs transform with adds-on. It's a jewelry designed to evolve with your style. Once you experience the ideal difference, you'll see why it's more than just jewelry. It's a new way to wear elegance every day. All the gorgeous jewelry I'm wearing today in this video are from Idol, and as usual, I'm leaving all the information about the styles as well as an exclusive promo code with a discount for all your purchases in the info box. So please don't forget to check out their collection after watching this video. Have you ever felt that your accessories are simply competing with your outfits? Well, jewelry should enhance your looks, not overpower them. And this is why it is so important to go for really sophisticated, refined, subtle jewelry that creates this finishing touch without dominating over your outfit. Chunky chains, layered necklaces, heavy gold-toned pieces, oversized earrings, rings, and stacked bracelets. These scream statement, but not elegance. If you're aiming for a sophisticated, polished look, as I've shown you before, jewelry should be a subtle finishing touch, never the focal point of your outfit. That's why I always recommend investing in timeless, refined pieces like an initial pendant, stud earrings, a delicate pearl necklace, or fine bracelets. These are incredibly versatile and will instantly elevate any outfit without overwhelming it. And if you want to add a modern twist, a delicate add-on or an ear cuff is the perfect way to do it. Stylish, understated, and chic. And a gentle reminder, if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit the button and subscribe not to miss a new video every week and help my channel grow. And also please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Diana_Goss to get even more styling tips, outfit ideas, inspiration and motivation daily. I have a question for you. Have you ever checked the composition of the fabric before buying the garment? No? Well, that's a shame because high-quality fabrics and textures make all the difference in achieving this polished, put-together look, and it's a way more complicated than going for natural fabrics. When it comes to choosing fabrics that elevate your look, the key is quality and structure. Start by paying close attention to fabric composition. It determines how a garment drapes, holds its shape, and stands up to wear. For tailored pieces like blazers, trousers, and coats, prioritize natural fibers like wool, cashmere, or high-quality blends with a small percentage of synthetic fibers like elastan for flexibility. These fabrics create clean lines and maintain their structure. Avoid overly thin polyester blends, they wrinkle easily and can look cheap under certain lighting. In knitwear, choose materials like merino wool, cashmere, or cotton blends. They're soft, breathable, and drape beautifully. Steer clear of synthetic knits like acrylic or nylon-heavy blends, which can peel quickly and lose their shape over time. For jersey fabrics, look for cotton or viscose blends with a bit of spandex. They're comfortable, durable, and resist wrinkling. Beware of ultra-thin jersey, it often clings in unflattering ways and lacks longevity. When selecting silks, opt for thicker weaves like silk crepe or charmeuse. They drape gracefully and resist wrinkling better than thin satin. Similarly, in linens, choose heavier weights for tailored garments to prevent excessive wrinkling while maintaining a polished, sophisticated look. Finally, always test the fabric's feel and stretch. High-quality fabrics often have this smooth, substantial texture and recover their shape when gently pulled. Investing in these materials ensures your wardrobe looks effortlessly elegant while lasting for years to come. Have you ever wondered which shoes truly elevate your style? I would say the right footwear is not only the foundation of your outfit, but the foundation of your entire style, because polished, timeless shoes can transform your entire look. First, focus on the classics. Invest in pointed toe flats, almond toe pumps or slingbacks, and sleek loafers. These styles are versatile, timeless, and pair well with both casual and formal outfits. For boots, opt for knee-high leather boots with a loose shaft or ankle boots with a slim profile, perfect for elongating the legs and adding polish. Avoid overly rounded and square toes in casual styles as they can look outdated and clunky. Next, consider heels. Kid heels strike the perfect balance between elegance and comfort. Classic stiletto pumps in leather or suede are ideal for more formal occasions, yet steer clear of ultra-high platforms or chunky wedge heels, as they often look heavy and rather cheap and can throw off the proportions of your outfit. When it comes to casual shoes, prioritize clean minimalist designs. Dainty leather sneakers with subtle detailing can work for relaxed elegance. However, if you want a more elevated, elegant look, of course, slick loafers are the best option. For materials, leather and suede are your go-to options. Patent leather adds a polished touch for evening wear, while nubuck or matte leather works well for daytime chic. Stay away from cheap synthetics, they don't breathe, scuff easily, and rarely age well. Pay attention to embellishments. Subtle details like a gold buckle or a simple bow can add interest, but avoid shoes overloaded with studs, sequins, or excessive bling, as they scream for attention and most of the time look cheap. Finally, prioritize fit and maintenance. Ill-fitting shoes can undermine even the most well-put-together outfit. Always try on your shoes at the end of the day when your feet are slightly swollen to ensure a comfortable fit. By focusing on timeless designs, high-quality materials, and proper care, you'll build a footwear collection that not only elevates every outfit, but also stands the test of the time. Voila, that's it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Please leave your feedback in the comments below. Thank you for watching and wishing you an absolutely amazing new year. Best wishes for 2025, and I'll see you next year. Bye.